Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, a very happy Vyas Puja. Please accept my respectful obeisances at your lotus feet. And I'm very, very excited to share this that when I see your compassion for preaching, which is expressed through preaching, that you are such a visionary. I noticed that when it became difficult for you to travel and you were limited to Mayapur Dham, and you could not really move and visit places, so you moved into social media. So you are such a pioneer in utilizing social media. So you change your strategy according to the time, place, and circumstances. And not only that, when the pandemic was picking up, you were inspiring preachers to go online and to make that shift for online preaching. And by your inspiration, ISKCON Communications organized a training program, and many batches, many devotees in many batches went through that particular program to learn how to preach online. And then I recently also noticed that how you're inspiring ISKCON temples to come online in YouTube so that their aartis are visible, because people are not able to visit the temples. Apart from this, I really feel inspired by your personal sadhana. You have unlimited health challenges. You have unlimited services as a GBC member. As the TOVP project is coming up, the responsibilities as a guru, and still you are attending Mangala Arati, you are chanting extra rounds, you're observing all the Vaishnava festivals, you're performing the various limbs of bhakti, and they are all so regularly updated. You are an acharya among so many things. You are also teaching by your example by taking up courses like Bhakti Shastri, Bhakti Vaibhav, and you're inspiring so many devotees to formally learn Srila Prabhupada books and to learn them scrutinizingly. Then also often I've heard the many instructions that Srila Prabhupada has given to you. And I noticed that one of those instructions of distributing books, so you had the virtual book table and you were seventh worldwide in that book distribution, which was just amazing. And then I also see that how you personally connect with devotees. You answer their emails, and these Zoom sessions, these virtual darshans, you visit their home, you have, you see their altars, you accept prasadam. Devotees are so excited to offer you different varieties of prasadam. And now we have your app, which is like which is as if we are right now in your quarters, and we are able to observe all the different activities that you go through, the devotional activities that you do in the day. I also feel very, very inspired whenever you have shared that you personally daily pray for all your initiated, sheltered, aspirant, and well-wishers, the disciples and the well-wishers. So we are all recipients of your kripa. Whatever devotional service we are able to perform is by your blessings, instructions, and by your acharan, by your personally showing it by your personal example. Often in your sessions, you are now stressing that how you want your disciples to become mature. And this is my request that Guru Maharaj, despite my efforts, kindly bless me and kindly empower me so that I become a mature devotee and I'm able to serve this mission of Srila Prabhupada eternally. So wishing you a very happy Vyas Puja once again.
Dear Guru Maharaj, wish you a very happy Vyas Puja. Sukirti Madhavi, and it's a joy and pleasure to speak something in your glorification. Though completely insignificant, yet I grab this opportunity to glorify on these 5 points, which I really find very, very inspiring in your personality. So these 5 points I have captured in 5 C's. To simplify it, C as in compassion, courage, connectivity, commitment, and concern. Talking about compassion, who can be more compassionate than you, who's trying to reach out to everyone else there through the medium of digital preaching? And you did not start it now, you started way back in 2016. I guess you are the pioneer in going Facebook Live, and since then you are a visionary, you are a pioneer, and that is how your compassion manifests, Guru Maharaj. The second C is courage. So despite the fluctuating health conditions, yet for you the classes must go on. So you would return from the hospital and in a very difficult situation, and yet you would be like really looking forward that how many devotees have gathered, how many are there online, and you would start your classes, Guru Maharaj. The third C is about connectivity. So the person, even if he is a world-known leader or a very insignificant young girl who has just begun her spiritual practices, but the way you connect to them, you are always there for them. And your Zoom Darshans, Guru Maharaj, that is another extension of your connectivity, and it's so personal and so very special. Talking about the fourth C, the commitment, you are always ready with the instructions at your fingertips, what Srila Prabhupada has given you, and you try to do as much as possible. And whoever is there, you engage everyone else along with you to follow those instructions and to help you in fulfilling those instructions. So you inspire others to please Srila Prabhupada and Gauranga Mahaprabhu. And the fifth C, the concern. So devotee care is your bloodline, like wishing devotees on their birthdays, checking on their health, and blessing devotees for having a good child, alerting them from corona pandemic. So many things you do which talks about the devotee care and concerns. So it is very amazing, Guru Maharaj, compassion, courage, connection, commitment, and concern. I hope and pray on this auspicious day that I can live my life in a manner that I can make your instructions my life and soul. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Guru Maharaj.